Okay, good morning all. Akash, please go ahead with your mini project status and first give the weekly status then overall status. If you have something to represent, please share your presentation.
Sir, the
Yes.
status of my project is my project has completed. I have completed my project
Okay.
and presentation तो सर पीपीटी नहीं बनाई है लेकिन मैं प्रोजेक्ट आपको दिखा सकता हूँ.
Okay. ठीक है.
तो आई एम sharing my screen.
Okay.
Yes sir. Wait.
Are you able to share your screen?
Yes sir, 1 minute, just 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, Akash. Please take your time.
हेलो
Yes.
सर, वो जो आपने लिस्ट भेजी है ग्रुप में, सर वो असाइनमेंट सबमिट किया है उन्होंने है या उनको करना है अभी असाइनमेंट सबमिट?
एक मिनट. मैंने क्या सेंटेंस क्या लिखा है?
सॉरी,
सबमिटेड असाइनमेंट स्टेटस है ना, तो इन्होंने सबमिट कर दिया.
तो इन्होंने कर दिया है फिर
हाँ.
सर.
सर बट 1 और 2 असाइनमेंट तो पहले सबमिट कर दिए थे, उसमें तो नाम है ही नहीं उस लिस्ट में.
एक काम करो वान्या, उसको दोबारा इस पे सबमिट कर दो. एक्चुअली वो किस पे मेल पे कराया था ना, तो मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि एक जगह रिकॉर्ड हो जाए सब कुछ. ठीक है, इट्स ओके.
अच्छा
आई हैव, इफ यू हैव सबमिटेड आई हैव द रिकॉर्ड, डोंट वरी. ठीक है, प्लीज
ओके सर,
रीसबमिट.
क्योंकि वो पीडीएफ फॉर्म में सब होते हैं ना, तो इतना पता भी नहीं है अब कहाँ पे होंगे.
तुमने मुझे मेल किया होगा ना, तो मेरी मेल
हाँ
आईडी से
तो
सर्च
फिर
करो स्टेंट में, वो मिल जाएगा आपको.
ओके ठीक है सर. ओके सर.
हम्म. आकाश,
Yes sir.
आर यू गुड टू गो?
Yes sir.
ओके.
Okay, so this is my project and this is a basically weather app project we can find city weather or
ओके.
any weather, and I have API of open weather
ओके.
to fetch that open weather API. I have used a request libraries of Python, this library. So this is the app API for that, and here where here I'm requesting uh, the JSON code for that city.
ओके.
So let me start the server. Okay. So this is the weather application which I have, which we have developed, and this is the home page, and we can search any weather like, and the city will be added with a caption, and the city will be added, and 24 degrees Celsius is the temperature, and this is the description like, Noida this time smoke is there,
Okay.
and we can add multiple cities like we can add multiple cities, and we can delete also. And if we enter a wrong data like something like this, so it gives an error message, it doesn't exist. So this is an overall project.
Okay, Akash, can you repeat your objective of project? What are you trying
Sir,
to? Okay, please.
I'm trying to connect API's weather information
Okay,
through AI available.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So, can you show us a detail about the code where you are taking the API and using the AI to extract the
Yes, sir. Yes,
information?
sir.
Yes, please.
So this is my this is my basic HTML structure,
Yes.
and first of all, if we go to here, this page views.py, so we are requesting this index. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब हम पेज लोड करते हैं तो वो यहाँ पे आता है,
Okay.
और उस हिसाब से चेक करना होता है, तो व्यूज डॉट पाई, तो ये व्यूज में इंपोर्ट हो जाता, व्यूज में इंडेक्स फंक्शन पे जाता है, तो पहला पेज हमारा इंडेक्स फंक्शन में है, एंड इन दिस फंक्शन ओनली आई एम fetching all the records. So here is the API, and this is the API ID for which we are fetching the data, and the degree Celsius what you are seeing is from this unit equal to metric.
Okay.
We can change it real like, and if I refresh this page like, wait, let me sir, wait. So, and now we are requesting if method equal to post, so this we are requesting in our HTML page. So here we are generating a form.
Okay.
Here, wait, sir. Yeah, here we are generating a CSRF token, and here method equal to post. So CSRF token. Without this, it will not work. Here we are taking form name, and we are creating a button here, and what message it displays, it goes here. So this is a simple form.
Okay.
Now, from what the icon come from open weather API dot image and city weather dot icon. So this city weather dot icon is our simple, huh, this simple dictionary where city weather is a dictionary name and city weather dot icon. This is our icon and from which we fetch. So let me show you one city example. So like here we are requesting the JSON code for that. Okay, so let me print this JSON code. Like we search Noida. So it displays only three detail and with one icon.
Okay.
But here, as you can see, we got this many details. So I
Okay.
have used just few details like this. This is the description smoke. So here we have used weather. This is the
So, Akash, I think your project idea is good. Uh, what is the status of the project? Do you have
that is
something
all.
more? Yes.
Sir, that's all. We are just trying to connect the API with our app and weather app so we can get data.
Okay. I will. And what is size of team?
Sir, three people.
Three people. So I don't think so that for the three persons, this will be a sufficient work in the project. I will suggest you if you have JSON file and you can extract the data, then you can utilize this data to predict something. For example, you have speed of and you have air data. What is the speed? What is a cloud and so on. So I will suggest you please try to predict something, get some new idea. What can we do with this kind of data? Okay, so
Okay, sir.
please go through that, and we can take a separate session on it, and we'll discuss out what are the different possibilities. I have some ideas in my mind,
Okay.
so we'll discuss some research article that are using the data and that they are trying to predict something. So based on that, we'll trying to find out updated updation in your project. Because you have done a work, so you have the data. Now you have to apply some machine learning algorithm and with the feature selection. And based on only two approaches, you can get a better updation in your project. So that's will not require uh, too much effort with respect to your team size.
Okay, sir.
So, Akash, are your team members present?
Wait, so let me check.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vanya
One is absent.
Yes, sir.
and other member.
Sir, Harshit, he is not present.
Okay, Vanya, what is your contribution?
So in the starting only, I have we have tried to together only doing learning Django and all that.
Okay,
So we have made this together only, like learning HTML and importing files and all that.
okay. So, Akash, please create a schedule tomorrow if possible. Just contact me on WhatsApp. We'll finalize a time and where all of your members will be present. Then we'll discuss a 15 to 20-minute session and find out what can be the possibility from this data to make a more updated project. Okay,
Okay.
because we are doing this project for the learning, not only the sake of submission of the project.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Submission is okay because if you will submit something, we'll mark according to your work and your effort. But what I'm trying to, if you are involving in something, then we should find out some best out of it. That is our overall approach, and the best is learning here. Okay, Agas?
Yes.
Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
thank you, thank you, Agas. Let me share the link of weekly status. One moment. Till now, I will share the weekly status link. Please fill out the required information so that I can mark your attendance based on that. Okay, thank you, Akash. Ayushi, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see. Please, first of all, please discuss about your weekly status. Then go with the overall status of your project. If you have something to present, please represent that. Okay, please go ahead.
यस सर सर रिप्रेजेंट साक्षी करेगी हमने बना लिया है फ्रंट एंड का पार्ट तो वो हम शो कर देते साक्षी के लैपटॉप से वो प्रेजेंट कर देगी
ठीक
माय
है,
टीम
please
मेंबर
go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
please.
Sir, I'm presenting the screen.
Okay.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, yes.
So, sir, this is our front end part. This is only a front end. We haven't done back end yet. We are still learning. So, this is the front end which we have made a little bit. So, this is the home page. Then we have a update section where we get the news update, daily update about any new
Okay,
technology or any new project which is in the market or anywhere. This is all about it. And on clicking
okay,
any link we will be able to get its detailed overview of the project or anything. And then we
okay,
have a profile section where a user can create profile and message a person he wants to talk to, and even collab to work together on a single project. Then we have a
okay,
sign up section also where a user can sign up for this to
okay,
avail all the features of the site.
okay. So that's all your project, or you are planning to do some more?
Yes, sir. We will do more afterwards when we will be able to learn everything. Sir, we will add Django for the backend
Okay,
and some DBMS also, so that we can store the data of the people who are there, and then they will be able to communicate easily. And we will also add chat box also, so that they can easily send messages. Right now, we haven't added something like that.
okay. Sakshi, please go to your update where you are displaying news articles. Okay, so how are you getting this information? These
Sir, this
news articles.
information is available on Google. So we have actually used the links from the Google itself.
Okay, so you are extracting this information manual.
यस यस सर, जो सर बहुत ज़्यादा जैसे लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी पे बेस्ड है सर, वो वाले आर्टिकल्स उठा लिए,
So
तो वो वाले शो
uh,
कर दिए.
so can we make a project by using by extracting the real-time information from Google News and without any manual intervention,
यस
and
सर,
we can categorize those information by filtering the content.
यस सर, फॉर दैट सर वी विल हैव टू यूज मशीन लर्निंग एंड ऑल, एंड सर वो like it will take some more time because we haven't done that much till now.
Okay, so what is your hurdle right now? What is stopping you to learn all those concepts?
Sir, we don't have much
सर
time.
राइट नाउ यस सर सर Django और सर बैकएंड का पार्ट डीबीएमएस और डेटाबेस को मैनेज करना सर ये सब उसके बाद हम सर्च का फीचर ऐड करने की चाह रहे थे कि जो भी नाम से हम सर्च कर सके तो सर उसके लिए भी एमएल की एप्लीकेशन है तो सर उसमें भी टाइम लगेगा
That's okay, Ayushi and Sakshi, but time is not a constraint because everyone has a limited amount of time, you know. So apart from the time, except the time, is there any other things that is an obstacle for you?
नो सर सर विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई एडिंग दिस फीचर
So I will suggest you because as a computer science engineering graduates and computer science having a knowledge of computer science engineering, you should know that for every 2 to 3 years the whole pattern of knowledge change. So you have to learn the new concept, new language, new tools.
Yes,
So that is a part of our learning criteria because when I was doing my Bachelor of Technology, we were mostly concentrated on the Java and C. So there was no ML, there was no uh, like cloud or IoT based technology. But if you are seeing right now that more focus on the IoT and ML. So why is it so? Because every companies are seeing the businesses inside the IoT and cloud and big data. So if I don't think so that it can be 100, but if it is, if is it, then I will suggest you that we can take a separate session to find out the problems. We'll categorize those problems, and then I will try to conduct a meeting between you and some experts so that you can get a better idea. And you can also take the help of other Google and YouTube and some other blogs so that we can do that. Okay, so please try to include these suggestions and take the Google News as a base and trying to fetch and information in real time, then categorize them based on the news categories and displayed on your website so that it can be useful for you. For example, let me share one website. Uh, I'm forgetting the name right now. Okay, that's it. I will share the link with you. I have to search that website in that sense. Thank you, IUC, and thank you. Uh, your members are left. Okay, Sakshi, and please fill out the required information in Google Access sheet shared in the chat box. Thank you. You can leave the session. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Mohammed, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good
Okay,
afternoon,
Mohammed.
sir.
So, good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. So, do you have anything to present right now?
No, sir, it's an Android application app. I'm I don't have installed it right now. It's actually a photo to text app.
Okay.
And like cam scanner, it only take picture, but we cannot edit the picture. And that's why we are deciding to take the text from the photo and we can copy it to the clipboard and edit the text and use it in Word or Notepad. I have
Okay.
attached
Okay.
the file.
So, do you
Maybe
have any?
recording.
Okay. Do you have any problem regarding the project?
No, sir. We have completed the project and we are troubleshooting the errors regarding it.
Okay, okay. So next time I will suggest you make a video of your project. What is your status right now? Then share your video here so that we can get the idea about your project. Then we can discuss with the other student, with me, so that we can get a better understanding. Because working on a project and discussing with others always give you more ideas. How can you develop a good thing in your project? Okay?
Sir, actually we have made
Yes.
a document, a PDF document. Can I show it?
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
सर लैपटॉप के थ्रू ज्वाइन करता हूँ सर मैं मीटिंग दो मिनट
Okay, okay, take your time. Okay. Raghuvansh, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Raghuvansh. So, do you have anything to present right now?
नो सर, यस मुझे सर आइडिया चाहिए था सर प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए, क्योंकि पहले जो मैंने प्रोजेक्ट्स ले रखे थे वो मतलब मिनी प्रोजेक्ट्स थे लेकिन उससे रिलेटेड नहीं थे। जैसे कि एक 2D टेनिस गेम था, मींस वन प्लेयर इज मतलब जो यूजर है और सेकंड पर्सन इज द कंप्यूटर वन,
Mm-hmm.
उसके ऊपर था। लेकिन वो प्रोजेक्ट जैसा आपने बोला कि वो प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, मतलब वैलिड प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, तो सर वो
नहीं
इसी के लिए
ऐसा
आइडियाज
नहीं मैं
चाहिए थे।
नहीं मैंने ऐसा नहीं कहा था वी हैव discussed something ना so I think we have discussed on the phone itself ना
यस सर, यस सर।
so I have definitely suggested you something so
ये
can
सर
you
वही उसी के
remind
लिए आइडियाज, वही सर उसके लिए आइडियाज चाहिए थे।
because making a game is not a bad project or not you can't say that it's not a project Raghuvan. So because if you find out that gaming online computer gaming industry is the seventh largest uh, businesses in the world after steel and software services and so on. So you can find out that most of the companies, including the Microsoft, they are earning more than half of their revenue from the gaming industries. So that's not I can't say that I will not suggest you that it's not a good project. But if you discuss more about your gaming project, what are the different features you are going to provide? What are the current market conditions demand? What are the users demanding right now? If you can discuss all those ideas, then we can finalize what will the features inside your game. If you opt to make the tennis game, if you are not interested, then we can discuss the other idea based on some other
यस सर सर अदर आइडिया सर दूसरे आइडियाज चाहिए सर इसको छोड़ के रहने दीजिए इसको
Okay, okay. So, Raghuvansh, please, can you give me some basic thing about the technology you are comfortable about the area or any? Do you have some explanation? Then we can proceed.
कि मतलब कौन कौन सी स्किल्स आती हैं उसके बेसिस के ऊपर है ये तो
हाँ हाँ. Yeah,
तो
are you?
सर
Yes.
पाइथन जैंगो फ्रंट एंड का काम थोड़ा सा चल रहा है मतलब से अभी मतलब सीख रहा हूँ एंड सी लैंग्वेज एचटीएमएल बेसिक्स एंड बस
Okay. So, one project idea can be that if you can use the GPS, if you are aware with the GPS technology,
यस सर
so we can make a GPS. Actually, when we are using our mobile phone, GPS is available. Okay, but actually, when we are using the personal computers, GPS is not available to our own systems.
यस सर
So, so please think on it. Is there any way to find out the GPS or your location on your own personal computers? If you can develop any app like that, which can extract the data from your mobile phone, extract the data from some website, and make a GPS port for you. Second thing. Or
ओके सर ठीक है सर
uh, apart from that, you can take any data. For examples, we can take the data from the Facebook, or we can take the data from the Twitter, as well as you can. Google is also sharing a lot of data with us. So based on the data, you can make a project for the prediction. For example, predicting outcome of certain disease, predicting humans' emotion for certain duration, or classifying some input information. For example, if you have images, so you can classify based on the SVM classifier what are the different objects available in the images. Okay. So, okay, what can you do? I will find out some good project regarding the machine learning. Then I will share with you. But please be in touch because you have to remind me again and again because there are a lot of work with me. So maybe possible I will forget meanwhile.
सर मैं
Okay.
रिमाइंड करा दूंगा यस सर
ठीक है रघुवंश. We can take a separate session on it. Okay, because this is a class also we have a limited time duration.
ओके सर डेफिनेटली
Okay. Okay.
थैंक यू सर
Thank you, Raghuvansh. Mohammed, please proceed.
Yes, sir. थोड़ा थोड़ा कर करके आप देख लो So screen is visible.
Not now, but I think so. It will be not now. Yes, yes, please.
सर is the swipe. सर अगर आप ऐप डाउनलोड करेंगे उसका फिर फोटो टू टेक्स्ट ये अपलोड करने के लिए बोलेगा इमेज
Mm-hmm.
अगर आपने इमेज अपलोड करी
Mm-hmm.
तो जैसे इसमें टेक्स्ट लिख ये ऑटोमेटिकली स्कैन करके टेक्स्ट को कॉपी कर सकते हैं
Please go back.
इसे हम एडिट भी कर
Okay, please go back a previous page. Your images. That is quite interesting information. Where did you get it?
सर एक्चुअली माय टीममेट
So
गेट इट
is it true or there is some reference for it, or is it just your imagination,
सर ये इमेज के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं आप
not the content? Content. urine of a diabetic contains so much sugar that it can
Yes,
be
sir. Yes,
poisoned.
yes, true.
Okay, so that is true.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So please go, proceed.
Sir, here's the text. We can copy the
Okay,
text.
okay. You can extract the text from the image. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, what is your basic idea behind it?
Sir, so that we can copy the text of the images, and we are deciding to mm, add new features. We are thinking about them right now. But basically, this is the our whole project.
Okay, okay. So I will suggest you please proceed with your project. And next week, I will also find out some idea regarding your project. Then we'll discuss and try to incorporate those suggestions so that it
इस
can be a
छोटी
better.
सी रिगार्डिंग कोई ऐप मिलता नहीं था.
Yes, yes. Sure, sure. Agree with you. Okay, okay. Thank you. So, do you have any other issues or problem
No,
regarding
sir.
project? Okay, okay, Mohammed. So please find out the link of Google Excel for the attendance and submit the status record. Thank you. Thank you for joining the session. Thank you.
So is the project fine or ideas need some more matlab, detail or something?
Idea needs more detail, more updation, and I have also study about it so that we can get a better thing, better idea about it. Because finding out the image, extracting the text is the one thing. Uh, i- it is okay if you'll find out an image we have a very complex information as well as the text information, and then you are extracting those information. That is a quite challenging task. For example, if you find out there are certain websites which are using the captcha, image captcha, inside the image they are having certain text information. If that is a challenge to extract the text information for a program. So if you can find out a way to extract those information, that can be a project.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.